Hey, it's Mack from Machinery Partner. Today we are going to walk through the step-by-step process of safely starting up and tracking the ARK SC-94 three-way screener, as well as troubleshoot some of the common issues around the wireless remote. First things first, let's get up to the machine and its main display here. It shows things like how many hours are on the machine and your oil temperature. It also has a central emergency stop button for safety. To turn on the machine, you must make sure that the battery cutoff switch is turned on to allow power to run to the control panel. Then we turn it once again to allow the glow light to come on. This is the engine preheating. After a few seconds, the light will disappear and you can turn the key all the way around, turning the machine's engine on. Over to the right hand side of the display is a lever that controls the engine RPM. Before tracking the screener or turning on the conveyor belts, you need to increase the engine speed to handle the load. This is done by turning this dial to the right of the control panel towards the rabbit until the machine hits around 2500 RPM. Now the engine is ready to track and use. Under the control panel there are 3 dials that are used to adjust the loading conveyor speed, the vibration of the hopper, and the conveyor belt speed. These are great features that will give you the ability to tweak and change how your material moves through the screen and the end product you get. You now need to get the wireless remote that has been included with your machine if you are just receiving your new screener from Machinery Partner, or you are the designated delivery driver. You can find the remote inside the spare parts box. Once you have your remote, you can turn it on. To do this, you need to turn the switch into the on position. Just look for the small arrow that acts as a guide. Once you turn the switch, the light in front of the remote will start to flash quickly. This means that you are ready to pair with the machine. Then you hit this button once and it will start to connect, and then when the light begins to flash slowly like this, the machine and remote are paired. Remember that the machine will need to be turned on for you to make this connection. We are now able to start tracking the screener. The tracks are controlled by these 2 levers here, and they can be pushed together to move the machine forward and back or independently to turn the machine right and left. If you are moving the screener in a straight line, you can increase the speed by switching this to the rabbit. However, if you're turning, you will need to keep this at a slower speed in turtle. This remote also controls a number of functions, including turning on and off the stack vibration and the conveyors like this. It has an emergency stop button for safety. If either of the red emergency stop buttons are pressed on the machine, it will not work. To reset the remote, gently twist the button in the direction of the arrows. Same thing with the button on the machine. If this has been pressed, you'll hear an alarm. Again, just twist the button and you can start using the machine again. Make sure that all of these switches are in the down or neutral position. For example, make sure that this is down and this is down and this one is down. If the remote is still not working, the battery might be dead. The SC-94 also comes with a dog lead attachment. If your wireless runs out of battery, it can be connected here. This remote is mainly a backup option with less features, only allowing you to turn the hopper and the hopper conveyor on and off. Still stuck? Don't worry, Machinery Partner has a dedicated service and support team who are always here to help. Just drop a comment below or call us on 866-847-1440. Have a good day.